In this video, we will see how to create a web page for a recipe using Google Gemini Canvas. It is free, and no technical skills are required. Go to https://gemini.google.com/app. Click on the plus sign in the prompt. Select Canvas. Gemini Canvas is an interactive workspace in the Gemini app that opens as a side panel alongside your normal chat. Instead of forcing you to work with static text in a standard chat thread, it allows you and the AI to collaborate, edit, and build projects in real time. We are going to create a web page with the recipe and picture of chicken biryani, the Indian dish. We will give the prompt, give a recipe for chicken biryani, the Asian Indian dish. Notice that the canvas opened a separate window with the response. We can also ask the AI to improve the response. Select the Suggest Edit option at the bottom right corner. In a few seconds, it will highlight the lines and give suggestions for improvements. The suggestions are displayed in the rightmost panel. Click on the Apply All option to accept. You can also edit and manually add additional information. Now let us give the next prompt, asking Gemini to create a picture. It will be nice to have a picture with the recipe in the web page. We have the recipe and the picture of the chicken biryani. Now it is time to create the web page. Let us give the prompt, create a landing page with the picture and recipe of chicken biryani. In few seconds, AI has created this excellent web page. Let us analyze the page. Look at the amount of detail in this web page. It has options to select ingredients, cooking instructions, and culinary secrets. It also has a working timer and a reset button. It is amazing that the page has so many details. Now, let us change the orange color to blue. Click on the code button and give a prompt to change the color. Sometimes, you may not see the preview button. You can save it as a HTML file in any editor and then open in a browser. Open the HTML file saved in the editor in a browser. The color change has worked. Let us create a PDF document with the recipe and the picture. Gemini has created the document so that we can distribute the recipe without asking others to FO to the page. There is a placeholder for the picture, and it is not added to the PDF file.
If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more automation tips, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye. Bye.